And public vaccinations continue today for those with appointments, but some things might change in the coming weeks as vaccine distribution is put into the city of Memphis's hands. WMC Action News 5's Kelly Roberts now joins us live from the Pipkin building where hundreds of people were vaccinated today. Kelly.
Hey, good evening, Kanji. Well, the Shelby County Health Department said earlier this week it plans to vaccinate more than 40,000 people this week, a mixture of new appointments, those appointments for teachers, and of course the rescheduled appointments, thousands of them because of last week's weather. But now private partners say they are ready to ramp up vaccinations for the general public as inventory of those doses, they are leaving the shelves of the Shelby County Health Department.
We stand as ready and willing partners to be able to receive the vaccine.
In December, Baptist Memorial Healthcare began vaccinating its employees before eventually vaccinating eligible patients and on a very small scale, members of the general public. The hospital group says an unpredictable weekly allotment of shots has prevented them from expanding their reach even more.
We don't want to overextend ourselves by trying to do too much. So we've kept it on par, kept it on pace. And so therefore, a person knows that when he or she receives their first dose, they have a set scheduled date to come back to get that second dose.
The Tennessee Department of Health investigation stripped the Shelby County Health Department of vaccine management, with investigators saying excess inventory, some 30,000 shots set to expire early next month, will be sent to partners like local hospitals.
We do not know how much, and there is some anticipation according to the data that was released. It was not requested by us, and we have not had any part of knowing what would go on or what would result from the investigation.
Shelby County Health Department Director Dr. Elisa Haushalter says she requested no more vaccine be shipped to the health department while inventory is reduced. The state determined the city of Memphis will take over as custodian of future shipments of the vaccine to Shelby County, which means there may be changes in making appointments at the public vaccination pods.
Moving forward, as of tomorrow, we will primarily do administration, which means at a site we would be giving the vaccine. We may also help with some of the logistics, but we won't have to store and transport the vaccine.
And Dr. Haushalter says an announcement likely later this week when it comes to those standard appointment making process, as we know right now. So if you want to learn more about possibly trying your luck and getting a vaccine appointment at Baptist Memorial, you can visit this web story on WMCActionNews5.com for more information on that. I reached out to the 3 other major hospital networks here in Shelby County. I did not hear back from Methodist Le Bonheur Healthcare today, but I did hear back from Regional 1 in St. Francis. Those statements also up on this story on our website. Reporting live in Midtown, Kelly Roberts, WMC Action News 5.